Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can make a significant difference in your financial life: asset protection. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is asset protection, and why is it crucial for you? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unveil in this video. Asset protection refers to the strategies and legal techniques used to safeguard your hard-earned wealth and possessions from potential risks and threats. It's like creating a strong shield around your assets to keep them safe and secure. Asset protection is not just for the super rich or celebrities. It's for everyone who wants to preserve their financial well-being and protect their family's future. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or a family person, asset protection can provide you with peace of mind and financial stability. The following are some risks and threats that asset protection can protect you from. 1. Lawsuits and legal liabilities. We live in a litigious society, and lawsuits can arise from unexpected places. Asset protection shields your assets from creditors and legal liabilities, reducing the risk of losing everything in a legal battle. 2. Business risks. For business owners and entrepreneurs, asset protection is a crucial aspect of safeguarding personal assets from potential business risks. It helps separate personal wealth from business debts and liabilities. 3. Unforeseen events. Life is full of uncertainties. Whether it's an accident, illness, or unforeseen financial crisis, asset protection can ensure that your assets are not vulnerable during difficult times. Now let's explore effective asset protection strategies. 1. Estate planning. An essential component of asset protection is comprehensive estate planning. A well-crafted estate plan can be a powerful asset protection tool. Trusts, wills, and other estate planning instruments can help ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes while protecting them from unnecessary taxes and probate. 2. Limited liability entities. Utilizing legal structures such as LLCs, limited liability companies, or corporations can separate your personal assets from business liabilities, reducing your personal risk in case of business challenges. 3. Insurance coverage. Adequate insurance coverage is a critical part of asset protection. Homeowners insurance, auto insurance, liability insurance, and umbrella policies can offer an added layer of protection against unforeseen events. Now that you have a basic understanding of asset protection, let's discuss its do's and don'ts. 1. Start early. Asset protection is most effective when implemented proactively. Don't wait until you're facing legal or financial troubles. Start planning early to create a solid shield around your assets. 2. Transparency and compliance. When setting up asset protection strategies, ensure they are fully compliant with the law and transparent. Avoid engaging in fraudulent activities, as this can have severe legal consequences. It's essential to follow the law. Transparency in your financial affairs builds trust and credibility. 3. Regular reviews. Life is dynamic, and so are your financial circumstances. Regularly review and update your asset protection plan to adapt to changes in your life, business, or laws that may impact your strategy. In conclusion, asset protection is not about hiding assets or evading responsibilities. It's about being smart, proactive, and responsible in safeguarding what you've worked so hard to build, ensuring that your hard-earned assets are shielded from potential risks and uncertainties. By understanding the importance of asset protection and implementing effective strategies, you can better secure your wealth, protect your family, and ensure a stable financial future. Consult with an experienced asset protection attorney to discuss your options and create a personalized plan that fits your needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others. Also, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. For questions and comments, feel free to drop them below. Stay proactive, protect your assets, and remember, your financial security is in your hands. Until next time, stay financially protected. Thank you all for watching.